Good morning all. Let's discuss some useful phrases for OET writing. Now we can discuss how to write recommendation or request paragraph in OET writing. If the case note says monitor cough, headaches, paracetamol PRN, then we can write like this way.
It would be greatly appreciated if you could monitor Mr. John's cough and headaches for which paracetamol can be given.
Next, if the case note says like monitor exercise and diet, then we can write like.
It would be greatly appreciated if you could ensure she follows her exercise program and maintains a healthy diet.
Next, if the case note says encourage social activities, then we can write like this way.
Mr. X would benefit from some encouragement to be more socially active.
Next, if the case note says occupational therapist to suggest modification, then we can write like this.
The occupational therapist has been contacted to assess the house for any modification.
Next, if the case note says like occupational therapist install necessary modification, then you can write like this.
The occupational therapist has been contacted to install any necessary modifications to his home.
If the case note says like visit day hospital 3 into P-bar week, then we can write like.
Mr. X needs to attend the day hospital 3 times a week.
Next, if the case note says like physiotherapy 2 times weekly and will contact you, then we can write like this way.
He requires physiotherapy sessions twice a week and a physiotherapist will contact you to arrange this.
Next, if the case note says like monitor wound and staples will remove on 25th January 2018, then you can write like.
It would be greatly appreciated if you could monitor his wound after discharge and his staples are due to be removed on the 25th of January 2018.
Next, if the case note says like paracetamol 1 gram PRN, anti-metabolic stockings 2 weeks, then you can write like this way.
Paracetamol 1 gram can be given as required and anti-embolic stockings have been provided which need to be worn for 2 weeks.
Next, if the case note says like physio will remind you for 2 weeks visit, then we can write like this way.
He has been referred to the physiotherapist who will be in touch to arrange visits for 2 weeks. Thank you.